What's up, Cupcakes? Welcome to Build Dad Build, where we burn it, we build it, and maybe even mess it up a little bit along the way. I'm Nick, aka your Build Daddy, and this channel is all about woodworking, DIY projects, and putting a little stank on it. If you like fire, sawdust, and creating badass things with your hands, you're in the right place. Around here, we don't stress about perfection. We just get to work. Look at me! I'm nice! Mistakes? Yeah, you make them. But let's have fun. From wood burning and laser engraving to crazy finishing techniques, I'll show you how to take your projects to the next level. So grab a drink, grab a torch, and let's build some cool shit together. Maybe not in that order. Hit that subscribe button. Join the Cupcake Army, and let's fire it up.